Welcome to another Rolled in Reacts episode. Customer states, rear end is all over the place when driving faster than 40 miles an hour. And this customer came in for an oil change and asked the mechanics if they had good coffee, and the mechanic replied, "No, but you do." And this customer just wanted the mechanic to fix his control arm and nothing else. This mechanic was about to put this new transmission cooler into the customer's car, but when he got the old one out, he noticed that the transmission had been under some serious pressure. And this customer wanted to save a few dollars, so he decided to sand his car himself before getting a paint job. Customer states, parked the car on the street and the next morning it wouldn't move. And these Infinities are pretty nice, you know. They have push start, fancy sound system, navigation, but the best thing of it all, chicken wing cubby. And this truck got towed in because the upper ball joint broke as the customer was turning in to park on their driveway. Looking at the amount of rust on the ball joint, it seems like it's been bad for quite a while. This customer came in because their car kept going into limp mode after they had installed a new sound system on their own. This customer states, damage to vehicle front right wheel after highway collision, but apparently not his fault, and wants warranty to cover all of it. And this is U-Haul's pretty ineffective catalytic converter cage. And this customer states, was driving down the road when I started hearing scraping noises from the back. Customer states, I hear a clunking sound coming from the back. This customer managed to drive 9 miles to the shop on this wheel. He somehow got there in one piece and got a new wheel installed. Customer states, my Volvo sits too low and wobbles. Customer states, my car is limping and I needed to stop. The customer drove their BMW into the shop with the lower ball joint determined not to give up. Customer states, my wheel is making a funny noise after I ran something over.
This is a trash can lid.
And this customer had installed new LED fender lights by themselves, but had zip tied the wiring to the suspension. The owner of this Camry came in because they apparently had a cockroach stuck in their taillight for over 10 years, but now needs it removed because the car is being sold. And this customer came in and insisted on just getting the nail in their wheel repaired. Nothing else. Customer drove in and stated, my car smokes from the back end and makes funny noises. And if this vehicle is still on the road, Lord help us. This customer came in because they stated that their fuel tanks seemed to be leaking after they had been parked on the street for a week. And this is the oil filter from a 2.4 liter Ecotec engine from a Chevrolet Equinox. Customer complained about a bad knock after it ran out of oil twice. These engines are known for this and have extended warranty for these issues. But unfortunately for this customer, the warranty timeframe had passed. This customer apparently came in and said, "Don't try to rip me off, I just need new oil and a filter." Customer states, "I brushed against the curbside." And this customer had jump started their car, but had done it backwards. And this customer came in for a regular checkup, but had no complaints whatsoever about their transmission. And this customer came in because of a fuel leak. Yeah, that looks about right. This forklift last out of service 15 months ago. Not only was the air filter this pretty, but the engine was apparently 4 liters low on engine oil. And this customer had just bought this truck 2 days before coming into the shop. And this customer needed their console lid replaced.
Let's see. Oh. Yeah, I guess it did kind of look like a ball sack.
And this customer states, "Slight wobble to steering wheel." Customer states, "Installed spacers on my own, but now have a small issue."
Bruh.
And this customer came in because they said that their engine runs a bit rough. And this customer came in because they had just bought this vehicle on an auction spontaneously and wanted the mechanic to make sure everything looked fine underneath. Customer states, "My gas mileage is horrible and my fuel tank seems to be having a rave." This customer came in because they said that their steering wheel felt quite wobbly. And this customer came in because they stated noise from underneath the car. It ended up being a bad wheel bearing, but the mechanic also found this. This car came in with a transmission issue, but it ended up being so severe that the mechanic recommended the customer to get a used one and just replace it instead. This car came in because the customer stated it sounded like a turkey after having had the fuel injectors replaced by another shop. And this 2010 Chevy Impala came in with a few issues. It has pretty new control arms, but whoever did the job forgot the cotter pins and a couple other things. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and until next time.